30 divided by 3/2 times 3. Use the rule of BODMAS. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. 30. Change the sign. Write its reciprocal. 2/3 times 3. Here multiplication. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. Numerator multiplication. 10 times 2 times 3 is equal to 20 times 3. 60. 60 is the correct answer.